Alright, video number 2. Wanted to explain that a little bit better. So when... Alright, this is locked in the locked position. That is unlocked. Locked. Or unlocked, rather. And that is locked. So when the rear hatch latch is actually locked, it doesn't lock anything. It only disables. So I'm actually going to reach up and pull on the handle so you can see it disables the mechanism. It does not actually lock anything. So let me unlock it again and back to the handle, and you can see how the mechanism is pulling on that paw, which actually opens the hatch. So nothing actually locks. Just wanted to clarify that it only disables the mechanism from opening the hatch. Hopefully this will help some of the other guys who are having the same problem.